Good morning, this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about our knit club. And we have a project, and it is called the Kaleidoscope Scarf. And I've written this pattern because I wanted you to learn how to knit Entrelac. It is totally awesome. If you see, it's like intertwined blocks. See the intertwined blocks? And you get to learn how to do this, and you can choose whether or not you want to learn how to knit backwards or just turn your work. Either way works great. We're using this wonderful Noro yarn. It's called Tabi. And if you look at the back here, it is a 65% wool, 35% polyamide. And what I love about the Noro yarns is that they are a spray dyed type of yarn, and it takes them maybe 20 times of dipping the yarn and letting it dry, dipping it and letting it dry. It's very labor intensive process that they use, but it gives you the best long color changes that you can find, I think, pretty much here anywhere in the world. And it is a fantastic yarn. So we're using this to make our Entrelac project. And if for some reason you decide that you don't want to knit Entrelac, our rep has included a Noro pattern. It's the old shale cowl pattern for an alternate pattern for you. And if you see here, let me see if I can open it up for you. It is a wonderful little pattern that you can use as an alternate pattern for this yarn. Don't forget to check out our videos because they help you along the way so that you can learn how to knit the project, and it helps you through the sticking points in the project so that you don't get stuck on any one area. I help you through each and every one of those. And we've also included the Eat Sleep Knit. It's a clear notion bag, and the clear notion bags are fantastic because you can see what goodies you have inside, so you don't accidentally forget something at home when you're going out into the public or on vacation and need those little goodies to keep your project going. So I hope you enjoyed the knit club, and we will talk to you soon.